Item 56 to 74, my lords. I'm not seeking an adjournment. I just wanted to inform, my lords, that my lords were pleased to grant a stay last time in our favor. The state appealed before the division bench via an order of 2nd April, where they gave a concession in our favor.
Yes.
The division bench has requested my lords to take up these writ petitions today and consider disposal on the basis of their concession. So I'm just bringing it to my lord's notice, just in case it doesn't reach.
It may not be possible. Why this has been listed for orders?
Well, it has been listed for orders on the basis of the,
Why and why this is part third? It's not a part third.
and it is a part heard, my lords. On the last occasion, my lords,
Have you been considered?
have you been?
Are you been considered?
Yes, yes. They have given a concession that will be considered
Then
on the basis
we'll
of.
take it after Bihu.
I'm sorry, my lords.
We'll take it after Bihu.
My lords, the only
Because you are being considered.
difficulty is
We thought if the matter if your case is rejected before
Right.
hearing, we thought that's the reason we have fixed.
yes,
Today. So it's not possible today.
the issue is
Rather, it is fixed listed for
it is
orders.
listed today, my lords. It is listed today.
Huh?
It is listed today, my lords. 56 to 70.
We'll see.
When it comes, my lords, may
No, no. This is something we have fixed it today.
Indeed, my lords.
Uh,
And
considering the interim order was granted,
indeed, my lords.
and we thought that once they started verification without
Indeed, my lords.
your case, without
Indeed.
considering your documents,
Indeed,
we
my lords.
thought it may
So therefore,
cause
today,
prejudice to you.
indeed, my lords.
Now this process is up to 11.
Indeed, my lords.
So whatever is there, we'll see after the vacation.
Yes, there is a reason to that, my lords. When the matter is called, I'll just need 2 minutes, my lords, and the writ petitions can be disposed of on the basis of the concession that they have given, that we are eligible and will be considered. Nothing would survive
No,
in the writ
if
petition.
that is the case, but if it needs
It won't be an adversarial litigation, I assure my lord. So it will
Okay.
just take 5 minutes, not more than that.
you talk to the advocate. General.
The order records that. The order records that they are saying it in our
Talk
favor.
to the advocate.
Very
General.
well.
Advocate
Let
General
the matter
will-
be called out as it comes. I just wanted to bring it to my lord's notice.
Otherwise, if it is takes, for
No arguments, my lords. I assure. If it is for,
hearing, I'll
I
not-
understand, my lords. I understand the difficulty. It won't be arguments, my lords. Just 2 minutes.
And
from
I
the-
came to know that was passed on on the open courts.
Indeed,
There's a mistake in the order also. In the last,
My lords.
I have noticed. I don't know who has typed this. Item 50, what is that? Order
56 to 70.
56. It should be, shall not be, may not be taken up. B word is not there in the
Indeed.
order. It looks very odd.
I understand. Well,
It's not-
but because of the development of the division bench's order,
No, what I'm saying,
I
the
understand.
order passed by the interim order
my lords,
should have been, the language should have been, it may not be taken up. It said may, it's
B is not.
may not, B is not there.
My lords, we have been taught since day one that boss is always right. So
It's-
therefore, my lords,
It's
we
very,
didn't
it's
consider
a
it.
silly mistake.
My lords,
I couldn't notice it. This is the problem.
so 5 minutes when the matter is taken up, and on the basis of that order, my lords,
If it is 5 minutes, it's okay.
my lords,
Two
not
line-
more than
two
5
line-
minutes.
two
Looking
line
at the watch.
orders.
Looking at the watch.
Yes.
Grateful.
May I please, your lordship? I'd like to
The order of the division
My
bench,
lords,
since your case has been considered, then why unnecessary?
I will discuss and I will
litigation?
report by 1 o'clock.
Yes.
Before lunch, I will report.
Yes.
Grateful, man.
Your lordship, I would like to mention item number 29.